today we're gonna play Subway Surfers. And I know we don't even play Subway Surfers that often, but I just have to do like, what else can I play? I'm kind of bored. So, I guess I'm just gonna, I need to get some, wait, I'm just gonna, what the, well, let me just equip a skill. Oh wait, yeah, I'm gonna go to this one, they're my favorite that I have. Okay, let's go. That horse sounds so literally so OG. Okay. Also, this is a note for Leo. Block rivals trash. Anyways. Leo is my friend. He's just a cool YouTuber. He's also my school. Oh, two times. Yes. Timing. Yeah, okay. Let's see. I didn't. Oh no. Why did I do that? Whatever. Whatever. I'm gonna go back. Yo. But they're just something interesting with Subway Surfers, bro. I just like to play it a lot, so. I usually play this when I'm bored now. I just started playing it some time ago. Pretty fun. This is not the perfect spot for. Okay, never mind. Maybe this is the perfect spot for it. Oh, yeah, just one now. Are you kidding me? Okay, now I have to. Again? Bro, this will be the perfect spot for a magnet. Whoa. Hey. Again, this will be another perfect spot for a magnet. Oh, coin. Jetpack jump. Yes! Fuck this one. Okay, I'm gonna get all the coins. No. Yeah, no! Are you serious? Whatever. At least, go and smoke this. Oh, Lord. I have Wi-Fi. Come on, stop saying that I don't have Wi-Fi, chat. What? Well, I guess it's true anyway. Just gonna go back to register. correct. No, maybe I'm not. Oops. Ah, that was real lucky. Alright. Yo, free line of coin. Yes! But I missed a few coins, so whatever. Ooh, yo, magnet. I'm just gonna. Yo. Wait, how do you get that? Bro? Oh my. I'm just gonna not. Oh, that was lucky. That timing with this little cram. Like. Hey, yo, when is this score booster gonna run out? Like, this is taking a lot of time. Yeah. He's landed. I got a none. No, are you kidding me? Aw. Where am I? Oh, I got a sound point. Okay, I'm gonna. Much better. Anyways, hoverboard. I'm great. Okay, I'm just gonna claim my reward. Easy. Okay, let's just go to. Okay. And let's get it. Okay, let's play them. Okay, time to rest. Wait, oh yes, I got the 2 times whatever that's called. I don't know. Dang, I'm already up to a good start. Oh wait, this certain one spot was free. Maybe not. Why did I do that? That was the stupidest step ever. Yo. Wow, how did I do that? Am I secretly cracked at some Sulfurrs? What? Why did I not go for the coins? Huh? Do I have ADHD or something? Ding 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 ding. Yes, trick shot. Maybe not though. Oh, why did I not go for the? Why did I not go for the top? I'm done. Yo, good timing. very quick reactor, not gonna lie. What? How? What are you doing that for? What the hell? No. Bro, it literally just hit me with some hard gameplay. That's very rude. At least I got 319 coins, but that doesn't. I'm gonna. Yeah. So where should I go? Wait, I can claim my reward. Did I claim my reward? 2 keys. I finally hit 61 keys. I know you got to. Do not call me a sweat in the comments, or else I'm gonna. Okay, never mind. I can't say that. Whatever. Jetpack, yes sir. I got a jetpack in the middle of oh my. Yo, bo digga boo. Okay. Over. Oh wait, coin. Free line of coins. Why did I do that? Am I? Whatever. I don't care. Bang. Easy. Why did I do that? Okay, I'm not reviving. Wait, 270 points? That's a lot. Maybe because I just got a jetpack, whatever. Oh, what's this? Are you kidding me? Whatever. I'm gonna try to lock in. Try. What am I saying? I am a lock in. Coin. The key, I meant. Not coin. What am I saying? I'm getting my word fixed. That was such a good question. Okay, no, please, don't. No, please. I'm not spending a key. Well, at least, wow. Dang. Ooh, 3 keys. Yeah, that was 2 keys. I literally. Never mind. hold up, wait, I can collect it. No, I already, oh. There's literally 10 of them. 2,000 coins. Yes.
ये filter plant किस तरफ है जी?
Okay, wait. That's enough for today. So I hope you have a great day. See ya. Bye.